Python list directory, subdirectory, and files. I'm trying to make a script to list all directory, subdirectory, and files in a given directory. I tried this. Unfortunately, it doesn't work properly. I get all the files, but not their complete paths. For example, if the dir struct would be it would print. What I need is the first result. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.
Use os.path.join to concatenate the directory and file name. Note the usage of path and not root in the concatenation, since using root would be incorrect. In Python 3.4, the pathlib module was added for easier path manipulations. So the equivalent to os.path.join would be. The advantage of pathlib is that you can use a variety of useful methods on paths. If you use the concrete path variant, you can also do actual os calls through them, like changing into a directory, deleting the path, opening the file it points to, and much more.
Just in case. Getting all files in the directory and subdirectories matching some pattern. Py, for example.
Couldn't comment, so writing answer here. This is the clearest one line I have seen.
Here is a one-liner. The outermost val for sublist in ... loop flattens the list to be one-dimensional. The J loop collects a list of every file base name and joins it to the current path. Finally, the I loop iterates over all directories and subdirectories. This example uses the hard-coded path dot. In the os.walk ... call, you can supplement any path string you like. Note: os.path.expand_user and or os.path.expandvars can be used for paths strings like /. Extending this example. It's easy to add in file base name tests and directory name tests. For example, testing for .jpg files. Additionally, excluding the .git directory.